Hi friends, welcome to Brainstorming Code, and today we are going to learn about decimal and binary numbers. So let's get started. So we have decimal number, then we have binary number. Decimal numbers are the normal numbers which we know 1, 2, 3, then 56, 70, dot. And binary numbers are 0 and 1. So binary number is represented by zeros and ones, and we also call them bits. Okay, so when we say 2, we write it like 1 0. When we say 3, we write it like 1 1. So these are decimal and binary numbers. Okay, so let's see how we can convert decimal to binary number. Now decimal to binary. So we have number 10, and when we have any number, we always divide it by 2. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, then again 2, remainder here is 0, then 2 2s are 4, and remainder here is 1, 2 1s are 2, and remainder here is 0, and 2 zeros are 0, and the remainder here is 1. So what we do is, the 1 here is the most significant bit, and the 0 here is the least significant bit. Okay, so we got 1 0 1 0. So 10 will be represented as 1 0 1 0, 1 as most significant bit and 0 as least significant bit. Okay, so this is how we convert decimal to binary. Let's take another example. Let's say we will take 11 here. So let's divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10, and 1 is the remainder. 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder. Then again 2 1s are 2, and 0 is the remainder, and then we have this 1 here. Okay, so now 11 will be represented as 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1, 1 to be most significant bit, and this will be least significant bit. So this is how you convert decimal number into a binary number. Okay, now let's say we are given a binary number and we need to convert it into a decimal number. How are we going to do this? So let's say we have 1011. How are we going to convert this into binary number? Okay, so 1011. So we will be starting from the least significant bit. Okay, so here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Okay, so what am I going to do is 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, then 0 into 2 raised to 2, then 1 into 2 raised to 3. Okay, so I'm going to add these. Now the answer will be, so this is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8. Okay, so what are we going to do is 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. Now we are going to add these and we get here 11. So 11 is the answer here. So this binary number, okay, and this is represented as 11. Okay, so this is how we convert binary to decimal number. Let's say we have 1 1 1 0 0 1. How are we going to convert this number into a decimal number? So we know this is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 5. Okay, so now let's multiply and add them. 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to, this is, let's say 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Okay, so this is 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 and plus 1. Let's add these. So we have here 48 plus 32 plus 16 is 48 plus 8 is 56 plus 1 is 57. So it is now being converted into a decimal number. So this binary number is represented as 57. Okay, so this is how you convert a binary number into a decimal numbers. There are more number systems, but currently we only need to know about decimal and binary numbers. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.